To replace the front door lock and latch, you must first remove the front door panel. You will also need to remove the front door subframe and the door exterior handle. You can find help with all of these tasks by following the link provided at the end of this video. With the handle and gasket removed, use a T20 torque and remove the single screw indicated by the red arrow. At this point, you should be able to slightly slide the door frame towards the rear, blue arrow. Use an M6 triple square and remove the 2 screws holding the lock latch mechanism, red arrows. Do not use a torque. These bolts are held in place with some Loctite and you do not want to strip them. If you were not able to slide the handle frame, red arrow, towards the rear before, you can now. Move the lock latch mechanism out from the door frame, red arrow. The handle, frame, and cable will come out attached with it. Disconnect the electrical connectors from the latch mechanism. Ours only had one, red arrow. You may have more depending on how your Cayenne is optioned. Slide the handle frame, red arrow, out from the plastic mount, blue arrow, that attaches it to the latch mechanism. Use a small trim removal tool and release the clip on the cable, red arrow, and turn it 90 degrees. Lift the cable out from the mount and up. With the cable up, turn it so you can remove the cable end, red arrow, from the latch mechanism, blue arrow. The end of the cable that attaches to the frame is held in by 2 clips, red arrows. These get very brittle. Release these clips. With the clips released, you can help free the cable mount from the rear through the 2 openings, red arrows. Slide the cable end out from the mount on the frame and lift it so you can get the metal ball out from the metal mount on the frame, red arrows. With the mount free, you can get the ball end, blue arrow, out from the frame, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Torque the 2 screws holding the latch to the door to 20 Newton meters or 15 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.